Hello, I want to welcome you to this quick overview of Forex account management service. I'll be explaining in the next 10 to 15 minutes what my Forex account management service is about, what you tend to benefit from it, and then how you can be a part of it, right? It's going to be a quick one. So I want you to stay on with me. And by way of introduction, my name is Lucrative, and I offer this Forex management service to my clients. I've been doing it for a while now, and then the results have been very encouraging. We've had consistent monthly returns uh, for about 2 years now for the few persons that have been managing their accounts, making it open for more guys that will be interested in me managing their Forex accounts for them. Okay, so let's get it started. Um, all right, so I welcome you once again. So for about 2 years now, we've had a consistent 5 to 10% monthly profits. Okay, so like I tell individuals, Forex trading is not a sprint race, it's a marathon. We want to remain in the trade, right? So we are not looking forward to earning 100%, 200%, 1000% in a month. We are milking our own profit from the markets every month, and we are satisfied with the 5 to 10%. Sometimes can be more, but we are not shooting so high. Majority of the traders shoot so high, and then at the end of the day, they bloat the account, right? But with our trading strategies and risk management principles that have been put in place, right? Be sure that we don't blow accounts here, okay? And we always have returns to give our clients. All right. So we are committed to helping our clients achieve their financial goals through the exciting world of Forex trading. So are you ready? We are here. We want to trade for you while you earn every month. So the idea around this is that your money is working for you. Um, Instead of keeping that money in the bank, you can just allow us trade for you, and then you are rest assured that at the end of the month, we always have something to split. Okay, so what differentiates us from other people that manage accounts out there, right? Basically, we maintain transparency, trust, and open communication. So all our clients that will be managing their accounts, um, what we are after is actually long-term relationships, long-term partnerships. All right. So we maintain transparency, we are transparent, we are open, and we maintain trust. Okay. As we provide all our clients with peace of mind that their investments are in capable hands. Okay. So what sets us apart? Number one, no upfront fee. So we are not asking you to pay money in advance. You are not paying any money. All right. So you create your own trading account. Only you can deposit into your trading account. Only you can withdraw from your trading account. Your trading account is in your name, not in our name. Okay. And then we trade for you. At the end of the month, we have consistent return. So 10 out of 10, 20 out of 20, 50 out of 50 months, we always have return for our clients. We've been consistent, 5 to 10%, we've been consistent. So what happens at the end of the month is that we split the profit, only the profit, not your capital, all right? So we calculate the profit for you. You are able to even track it yourself because we give you investors login details. So you see it yourself. You're able to see what our trades are like, all right? You see the profit yourself. And then we split the profit 50-50, okay? Equally between both of us. We split the profit, and then you have the responsibility to send our home portion of the profit. I hope you understand that. So because we don't have access to your fund, we can't access it. So your fund is secured. Your fund remain under your control. Okay, only you can deposit or withdraw from your account. All right, so we are not collecting any money from you, but we want to trust you that after trading for you for the whole month, okay, and after you've made the withdrawal of the profit we made for you, you will send our own portion to us. Okay, so it's the other way around now. You are not paying us upfront. We are working for you, and then we expect you that at the end of the day, at the end of the month, usually we split profit on 28th of every month. So at the end of the month, you send us our own portion of the profits that we have made for you. I hope that's a fair deal, right? Okay, yeah. So let's go on our story. So why am I doing this? Okay, so this was born out of my passion for forex trading and then my desire to share my expertise with others, right? So after many years of honing my skills, and then I've been able to achieve remarkable success in the forex market. I'd seen or I'd realized, in fact, I discussed with a lot of people, then I'd realized that many individuals and businesses lack the time, knowledge, and resources to effectively navigate through this complex industry. And that is why I've embarked on this mission to provide a reliable and profitable solution by offering this top-notch forex account management service. All right, so I'm doing this out of passion. All right, so like I explained before, you create the account, we trade for you, and then at the end of the day, we have profit to split at the end of the month, and you have the responsibility to send our own share of the profit to us. And then you want to ask, I don't know about Forex before, I don't have a Forex account before now. We can also assist you. So I just need to schedule a call with me, then I'll assist you in opening your own Forex account, no matter the country you are. There should be a broker in your country. I can also recommend some for you. All right. So I'll put you through. We have a virtual meeting. I'll put you through. You create an account, and then all I need is just your trading login details, your trading panel login details, either MT4, right? Then I go ahead to start working for you. All right. So now, what's our drive? We believe in fostering trust and open communication with everyone we work with. Now, our regular performance reports are accessible to you all. So you are able to see how our trades are, and then we inform you as you are also involved in everything that we do about your account. All right. So it's open to you. You are seeing what the trades are like. You're seeing what the profits are like. All right. And then you are even seeing what the drawdowns are like. Now, what's the vision for carrying on with this? Our vision is to become the go-to partner for individuals and corporate organizations that are seeking reliable and profitable profits, reliable and profitable forex account management. Okay, so Tolu Forex want to be your go-to partner when you are looking for forex account managers that are reliable and profitable. Okay, so what's our mission? At Tolu Forex, our mission is to empower our clients to harness the potential of the Forex market by offering expert account management services. All right, so I've said it through my trainings that you can even Google to see online, trillions are being of transactions are going on, trillions of dollars are going on in transactions in the financial market every day, every working day, all right, every day of the week. That's Mondays to Fridays, 24 hours through all the 5 days of the week. So we want to harness the potential of this market, all right, by helping our clients or our investors to be profitable. Okay, so that's why we are doing this. Now, what are our core values? We have 3 of them basically. Number 1 is integrity. Okay, we uphold the highest standards of honesty, transparency, and ethical conduct in all aspects of our operations. Number 2, excellence. So we are dedicated to excellence in everything we do, from our market analysis and our trading strategies to the way we attend to our clients. That's our client service. All right, and then number 3, uh, which is another important value that we uphold, right? We value the trust our client places in us, and then we believe in building collaborative relationships, okay, based on shared success. So we want to build more relationships, and that is why we are even making this open to more people that will be interested in Tolu Forex managing their Forex account for them. Okay, so we are open for more partnerships, more collaboration with both individuals and corporate organizations. Our results, our performance results speaks for us, speaks volume, speaks volume. So if you check the description section below in this video, you see links to some of my some of the accounts I actually manage. Okay, those are links to public public journal of these accounts that I manage on my FX book. So you see them there. All right. And then if you have any other question, feel free. You also see link below to chat me directly via WhatsApp so that you can schedule a call, and then you can get started with managing your own Forex account. Okay. So this is a call to action. Let Tolu trade for you. Okay, let me trade for you. I am here. I'm ready to trade for you. Let's partner and let's make this happen. Okay. With me managing your account, you can be rest assured that your investment is in capable hands. So contact me today. You can schedule a call, send me a WhatsApp message. All right. You can also check my website. You see the link below. You see the link to my website there, toluforex.com. Okay. You can see some other details that you might be interested in, the links to some of my other performance or some results that I've had. Okay, you can see it on my website. Okay, and then let's embark on a profitable journey in the Forex market while enjoying the convenience of professional account management that is tailored to your financial objectives. So please take note that the minimum account size that I manage is $500. So from $500 to $100 to 200 to for $500 to $1,000 to $10,000 to $100,000, $200,000, $1,000,000, and so on. So I manage, but the minimum I manage is $500. All right. I will explain in the next slide why that is so. So you want to get started. To get started, first you need to schedule a call through WhatsApp. So check the description section below. You see the link there to schedule a call. All right, through WhatsApp. I'll be available to respond to everyone's messages. All right. So on the call, we discuss your goals. I want to hear from you. All right. I'll answer any questions you have. I'll also guide you through account opening process if needed. That is for those that are new to Forex trading. All right. You want to open an account, I'll guide you through it. All right. Then, as I mentioned before, the minimum Forex trading account I manage is $500. This minimum requirement helps ensure that there is sufficient capital for effective trading and risk management. Okay. So I like that statement that we say now around my country here in Nigeria, that I allow my trades to breathe. All right. So the minimum account I trade is $500. So please take note of that. So if you're reaching out to me, it means that you are ready to invest or open a trading account that has a minimum balance of $500. So please take note of that. All right. So, and also, as I said before, as the account owner, you have the full control over making deposits and withdrawals from your trading account. I do not have access to your funds, or neither do I have the ability to make any financial transactions like deposit or withdrawal on your behalf. So at the end of the month, you are the one, you are responsible for sending my own portion of the profit, okay, at the end of each month. And I have to receive the profit for the month before I will start trading for you again the following month. So please take note, until my home profit split of each month is received, I won't start trading for the next month. So in summary, you see there that again, I don't collect any upfront fees from you. You are not giving me any cash upfront. All right. I'll guide you through all the process to open your own account, and I'll start working for you. Remember, our profit split is 50-50, just the profit, not your capital. All right. Then your fund is secured. Okay. Nobody will touch your funds, and then you can be rest assured that there's consistent return at the end of each month. At the end of each month. All right. So I like to close with a quote, right? I love this quote by Eleanor Roosevelt. It says, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." What is that your dream, right? I want to encourage you to push on with it, go on with it. In fact, the whole world is waiting for you to manifest, all right? Because the future belongs to you, okay? Yeah. So thank you very much for your time. I hope you got something. All right. So that's my WhatsApp line that you're seeing on your screen. So you can pause this video, chat me up. All right. You can as well check the description box below, or the description section below in this YouTube video, in this recording. Check the description below. You see the link to my to chat up with me, to schedule a call with me on WhatsApp. You see the link there. You also see links to my public profiles of account I'm managing on my FX book. Again, I'm sure there you also see links to my recommended Forex brokers. All right. So in case you don't have a Forex account before now, you see links to Forex brokers that I recommend. All right. You see it there. Okay. And then if you are yet to, all right, please subscribe to this my YouTube channel. I will appreciate that. And then you can turn on the notification bell so that you will notify when next I upload another video. All right. And then I will appreciate that you give me a thumbs up, the like button, give me a thumbs up there so that this video can rank in the YouTube algorithm. All right, thank you very much. My name again remains Tolu Craig. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section below. I'll be much available to respond to every question that I see in the comment section. Thank you very much once again. Cheers. Enjoy the rest of your day.